Hello viewers, in today's video I will talk about Fitbit Lite Edition Smartwatch 2020. For more information see the description. The Lite Edition includes core fitness and smart features like activity, sleep and heart rate tracking, notifications, apps and 4+ day battery life plus bold color choices, and an easy one-button design. Track your all-day activity, 24/7 heart rate and sleep stages, all with a 4+ day battery life, varies with use and other factors. Use 15+ exercise modes to record workouts, and connect to smartphone GPS for more precise real-time pace and distance. Access your favorite apps for sports, weather and more, and get call, calendar, text, and app alerts. Charge time, 0 to 100%, 2 hours. Get call, text, calendar and smartphone app notifications when your phone is nearby. Plus send quick replies on Android only. Enjoy a slim, comfortable design with a lightweight and anodized aluminum watch body that is swim-proof, water-resistant to 50 meters, high-resolution touchscreen. Amplified brightness up to 1000 nits and durable screen made from Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Automatically track select sports and workouts with Smart Track, and use female health tracking in the Fitbit app to log periods, symptoms and more.